Okay, so I've made another learning binder, but this is something different. It's a quick way of making a learning binder. It's very easy. It's a more affordable way of making one, and it's a reusable one. Okay, my previous one was also reusable, but this one you can erase. So I'll explain now. So I just did everything freehand. I wrote everything down with a permanent marker. And then I used sellotape to just tape over the page so that I can use a whiteboard marker and then erase very easily, because I noticed if I laminate the pages and if I write over it with a whiteboard marker, it doesn't erase very easily, and that's why I didn't laminate it. So to start off, I have my daughter's name here, where she can just write over it, like tracing the letters, where she can practice. And if she wants to use it again, she can always just erase and start over again. That's the one activity. Next one, I wrote the big letter A, so she can either trace the A inside or she will color it in. Then I'll ask her, can you find all, for now she says big A's and small A's, so she needs to find the upper case A and the lower case A, and she has to color in all the A's that she can find. Then I will do more of these, but only with the letters that she is struggling with, because she kind of knows the letters now. There's just a very few that she struggles with. And remember, it can erase. Next one, beginning sounds. So you'll have a picture over here. I'll ask her, what is this picture? Then she'll say strawberry. Then I'll ask her, what letter does strawberry start with? And she'll say S. Then she's going to have to color in the S. And the same goes for the rest of that. Another beginning sounds activity. So here we have a house with a. Then I'll tell her to look at all these pictures. Then I'll ask her, what picture starts with the letter A? Then she'll go here to the apple. Then she's going to have to draw the apple in herself. And what picture starts with the letter B? She'll see the book. Then she's going to have to draw the book herself. Then more tracing. She's just going to have to trace and follow the lines. More tracing, but this is shapes. Then we have another tracing activity where she's going to have to follow the lines. The only reason why I made her this is because I noticed she doesn't scribble anymore. She can draw a face with two eyes, a nose and a mouth, and a body with arms and legs. And I also noticed she can draw a few shapes on her own, so that's why I made this for her. So obviously you can just adjust it to your child's ability or whichever level they are on. Right, this is a counting activity. So she's going to have to count and match. So over here, 1, 2 dots. Then she's going to have to look for the number 2. And she's going to have to just match it like that. Next one, 1, 2, 3. Where's number 3? Match number 3. Another counting activity. Right, here's number 3. So I'll ask her, what number is this? Then she'll say 3. Then I would want her to draw 3 apples. The reason why I chose apples, because circles are the easiest to draw. And the rest, number 4, she's going to have to draw 4 apples, 5 apples, and 6 apples. I didn't want to do 1 and 2 because that's too easy. I made another ice cream activity because she likes ice creams. Again, you can draw any picture, whatever your child likes, whatever your child is currently interested in. You can just do an activity based on that. So here's 1 scoop. I'll ask her how many scoops does this ice cream cone have. Then she'll count 1, and then I would want it to write number 1 in there. Again, count how many scoops does this cone have. 1, 2. Then I wanted to write number 2 in the block. Similar activity, just reversed almost. Okay, then your number 1 is in the block. I'll ask her what number is in the block. She's going to tell me number 1, and then I'll ask her to draw 1 scoop. Again, what number is in the block? 2. I want you to draw 2 scoops. Then circle the tallest one. She's going to have to look at these trees and find out or figure out which one is the tallest one, and I would want her to circle it. I was going to do a separate shortest one like this, but I didn't feel like it, so I'll do it in one with this one. So I'll do it when she's done with circling the tallest one, and I'll ask her now, can you find the shortest one? Then she's going to have to find it. Spot the difference. This row over here, I'll ask her, what do you think looks different to all the others? Then she's going to have to find the banana. In the next line, what looks different? The rose, and so on. This is the last activity. So we have uppercase letters and lowercase letters. I want her, she kind of knows, okay, she says big letters and small letters. She knows all of the uppercase letters. She knows that's A, that's B, that's C, that's D, that's E, F, G. She knows some of the small case letters, the lowercase letters. So she will say that's A, that's B, that's K. Like she only knows a few of them, but not all. And she kind of knows how to match only a few of them. Like she knows that's A and that's A, so that goes together. Like that's the big letter and that's the small letter. So that's why I made this activity for her to match, because she doesn't know this so well. So I'll ask her, okay, we're starting with the big letter A. So with A, and I wanted to match it up like that. And then I'll ask her, what letter is this? Then she'll say B. Then I'll ask her, where's the small b? And she's gonna have to match it like that. So that's basically the rest of the alphabet. So again, you can add more in future if you find another activity that you're struggling with, that you can just make up something fun. You can add to this, because this is not too many, just enough to keep her busy. And remember, it can erase, very easy to do. You can always find activities that you know will help your child, or you know that your child will want to do, because if it's too difficult, they'll just lose interest and not want to do it. And find things that you know they like. So for example, clouds and rain, she's into nowadays, apples and trees and ice creams and so forth. So I will make an updated version once I get more activities, and I am still working on my previous learning binder. I'm going to update that one as well, so I will make a video for that. So please do subscribe to my channel, and I will post that video soon. Thanks. Bye.